Just thought it might be fun to document my install of the QuietCool whole home house fan system. So I went with the QL, what was it? The CL-4700. Got my location picked out. Let's go up there in the hallway. And my electrical wiring has been done already. I decided to put it here in the attic, in the closet in the hall, because it's a bit of an eyesore. And I also put it up high so that my kids can't play with it. Thought that might be a good idea as well. So that's where I'm at now. I'm going to cut my hole out here. I'm going to drag that up into the attic and go from there. And we'll see how big of a difference this makes in the house. Okay, so you hear my kids screaming, probably. My arms are literally on fire right now. Got the hole cut. Probably goes without saying that you'll want to move the insulation in your attic prior to cutting the hole, which I did. So I'm going to take my bent piece that I've got up there, move it over, put it in place. Okay, so that was super not fun. I got in place. Clean up some of the insulation that's spilled around and move on. Okay. So I've got the fan installed. That was a pain in the butt. Don't let it fool you, it's super heavy. So here's my fan. It's hard to see my phone. Shadow's getting in the way. Runs down over there. With my little bend in it to supposedly make the fan quieter. I'm completely out of breath, apologize. So I'm gonna close the attic up and we'll go turn it on and try it out. Okay, got everything installed. I don't have the grate on it yet. I put it in low speed and give it a whirl. That is extremely quiet. It's probably less noisy than a swamp cooler. The fan is actually up in here, you can't even hear it. So I have two windows open upstairs and I turn this on. The whole house fan starts sucking up the air. Look in my kids' room here. You can really feel that breeze coming in right now, being sucked into the house. It's nice and cool outside. It's cooling off up here upstairs. And then I'm gonna shut it off. I'm pretty impressed. And there is the final product with the noisy children behind me. Gotta say, it's cooled off up here quite a bit after I've been running this, so I'm thus far impressed.